Hello, everyone. This is my review of the Jones soda. This soda here is green apple, which is not a common flavor you see in soda, but this actually does taste pretty good. I do like it. They make the soda with real cane sugar. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up so you can see what it looks like when it's poured out into a cup. As you can see, that it fills up a little bit when you take the cap off. Got a cup of ice here, and it fills up real nice. It's nice and green, and it tastes pretty good for a flavor that's pretty unique and not common. It hits the spot. I like it. So I hope this review helps and enjoy.